If you're like me, then grocery shopping and restocking the pantry is one of the things that I just don't enjoy doing. And that is why I love getting this subscription box. So today we're going to do a full unboxing of the March 2026 Balanced Pantry Box. This box is filled with goodies to quite literally restock your pantry, and you don't even have to leave the house. Hey beautiful, welcome back again to another unboxing. We are taking a closer look at the Balanced Pantry Box today. Now, like I said, this is going to be the box for March, and I just have to tell you, this is such a time saver. So if you are someone that has a very busy life, and like I said, it is not your favorite thing to go out, to go grocery shopping, restock that pantry, this box not only saves me time, but it is so convenient to get healthy, balanced snacks and goodies every single month in this subscription. And all I gotta do is open up my box and restock the pantry. Also, take a look at this box. You see the box? You see how tall this is? Okay, now take a look at where these products are. Quite literally filled to the top of the box. There is no room for anything else in here. I mean, look at this. We even get the straw. See, it's those little details that just make it so much better. Chocolate cake mix? Okay, we are of course starting with this product. I mean, priorities, right? We've got to start with the cake. So this is a full-size bag. It is coming from a brand called Bob's Red Mill. I wonder if he actually owns a red mill. You know, the things I wonder about. But this is a chocolate cake mix. It says homemade taste is in the mix. I would agree with that. So this is supposed to give you a baked from scratch taste. However, they do acknowledge the fact that not everybody has time to bake a cake all from scratch, which I gotta tell you, I am one of those people. So this one is supposed to be a premium blend. It says that it uses high quality flours in here. It will give you a decadent chocolate cake with a tender, moist texture that slices perfectly. It's your shortcut to foolproof scratch quality baking every time. So you'll just need to add a couple of ingredients in here: water, oil, eggs, honestly, all simple things to put in here. It will make an entire 9x13 pan as well. Ooh, okay. All right, so not only can you do a cake mix here, they also mentioned that you can even make cupcakes. Why are cupcakes better than regular cake? I can't explain it, but the fact that they're miniature are just better. We also can restock our pantry with some macaroni and cheese. This one is from Fiber Gourmet. This has 57% less calories in it. But do you see all that fiber? 24 grams of fiber. I don't even think it's a competition of which mac and cheeses out there on the market have the most fiber. I am pretty sure this is gonna be the one that wins. I don't know about you guys, but pasta is definitely in my pantry. So this one is a gluten-free brown rice rotini pasta. Oh, they use brown rice. So the brand is Banza. I don't know this brand, but you know what? That's okay. That's why I like this box, because you get to try out new things. While still, you know, stocking your pantry, saving time, eating delicious food, you know, getting back to the important things, less shopping, more eating. So this gluten-free pasta says that it is pasta to perfection. It will give you a tasty al dente pasta made strictly from brown rice. It says it will even serve up delicious leftovers, if there are any. I like this kind of a box. It's definitely my thinking. We also have in here an Italian seasoning blend, and this one is a Mediterranean blend. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna find out what that means in just a second. One thing to note is that there's no salt in here. This is another thing that, I mean, you guys, it kills me when I will get seasoning blends, like taco seasoning, and most of that is just salt, and there's very other little flavors in there. So I prefer to have all of my seasoning blends without the salt. I can add that in myself, and that way it doesn't get too salty either, right? So this one, not only is it not going to have the salt in here, it mentions that it's also going to be 100% gluten-free. So the actual blend for all your spices, we have oregano in here, thyme, rosemary, savory, basil, sage, and marjoram as well. So this is what it will look like here. Good blend, and we have a lot in here. I mean, honestly, this is gonna take me a little while to get through. It's Kodiak! I love this brand! Okay, I have not had anything from this brand that tastes bad, so just as a little personal review, I'm not an ambassador for them or anything. I'm just telling you they have really good food items. So this is oatmeal, another staple in the pantry. We have a protein-packed oatmeal maple and brown sugar cup. So you actually add your water into this cup. You can microwave it up and then take it with you on the go, or you can just start your morning off right and have your oatmeal. The nice thing is it's 14 grams of protein, so it should keep you full longer. That way you can make it all the way to lunch before you're hungry again. And who doesn't like maple and brown sugar? I feel like of all the oatmeals, that's the most neutral oatmeal there is. Next up, ooh. Oh, this is cereal. I thought for a second it was a bag of rice, but I was like, why is the rice in circles and not like the long ovals? Well, it's not rice. That would be why. So Arrowhead Mills, it's organic puffed millet cereal. Really? Okay, I have never had this before. It looks like something that would belong in my pantry, so it makes sense. This one says, figuring out what works for your body is empowering, but getting there can be challenging. For over 60 years, this brand has inspired millions to live a well-balanced lifestyle, and they make eating easy with foods that will fuel your day. So this is the smallest of all the grains. Apparently it's smaller than rice even. And it says that this was cultivated in Asia and Africa. It is a staple longer than wheat and rice. Then they puff these. It creates a cereal and it makes a delicious and wholesome breakfast or snack. Well, okay then. It is all USDA organic as well and non-GMO. Next up, we're gonna have 2 bars included in our pantry box. These are coming from the exact same brand. However, one of them will be a dark chocolate bar and the other one is white chocolate. So if you're like me again, your pantry's stocked full of all of your essentials, but of course you have a few snacks in there. These ones are very tasty. So when you get a chance to try these, you're gonna love them. I don't really have a guarantee for that, but I will tell you that I really liked them. Last up for today, we get a bubble tea. This is the Bub Love Bubble Tea. The flavor is passion fruit and oolong guava. So this is featuring your oolong tea inside, and then you're gonna get these passion fruit and guava blends, and you have actual boba. So boba is delicious. It tastes amazing. They are bursts of flavor. But as you saw earlier, the straw is also included inside of your box. So the reason why you're going to want this straw right here is because it's a little bit larger and it will allow you to suck up these larger beads. And believe me, they taste super good. So when you're drinking your tea, you're just sipping along and then you get this burst of flavor all of a sudden. I don't even know if this is gonna make it to my pantry. I'm gonna be completely real with you. It's all the flavors that I love. It may just be one of these snacks that I just enjoy right now. So that is everything included in the March Balanced Pantry Box. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know, what did you think of this month's box? So many good staples. One of the best things about this subscription is you get to stock up on all of the essentials without having to even leave your house. So you can let somebody else do all the work for you, and then you get to enjoy all these balanced, delicious goodies. So until next time, beautiful, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!